In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to Shopify so you can share manuals, guides, catalogs, or other documents with your customers. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Content, then select Files. Inside the Files section, click Upload Files. This will open your computer's file browser. Locate the PDF file you want to upload, select it, and Shopify will begin uploading it automatically. Once the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in the Files library. You can copy its URL and use it on product pages, blog posts, navigation menus, or custom pages. This is a great way to provide customers with additional information such as product instructions, warranties, or downloadable resources. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to Shopify. Thanks for watching.